Got motherfucking fear tales, man. Top 10 disturbing moments caught on DoorDash. I'm at Doorbell camera. What's here for? DoorDash. I'm going to get this shit started.
Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the top 10 scary videos caught on Doorbell camera.
I ain't care. I'm going to get down with it because raps can come on tonight. So y'all know what time it is on Friday night. Friday night SmackDown. Yeah. Thanks. And Roman Reigns coming back tonight. Crazy here.
In this video, posted by Inside Edition on July 6th of 2018, Ring doorbell camera footage captures a woman yanking on a doorknob and banging on the window of a home of a complete stranger. The woman began throwing her body at the window and pulls the screen off.
The intruder backing up and throwing the full force of her body into the window. It breaks. Then she pulls out the screen and reaches in. The homeowner screams.
What is going on?
What you mean? What's going on?
A police officer arrived and confronted the woman.
Hi.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
So why are you banging on the door?
Because my friend was there.
Hannah Nakagawa was arrested, and you might find it hard to believe that she was a first-grade teacher. Hannah was also believed to be under the
That bitch
influence.
fired.
The following day, Hannah's father came to the home her daughter tried to break into to apologize to the woman. I'm glad the woman is okay, and hopefully Hannah gets some help.
Sue with her. She went in. Hey, he wouldn't have had no man. Look.
In this Facebook video posted by Katu News on August 9th of 2016, a Portland man and his family were getting ready for a vacation one morning before they got an alert from their Ring doorbell camera. The man believed his wife was outside loading luggage into the car, but he was shocked to see a man with a backpack attempting to steal one of the suitcases. The homeowner came outside and chased the man away, who dropped the suitcase. The homeowner stated it probably wasn't the best move, however. The man could have been armed and very dangerous. I'm just glad everyone is okay and that their luggage is intact.
These men I've been reacting to, the head hoes of the family.
In this video posted by WTOL11 on
Fuck that, the head hoes of the family, the mans, like even from Mr. Nightmare story, the two last ones. I think the three. I don't know. I think it was all three of them actually. It was two of them and one of them. But the dads, I don't know. The dad came out there with a shotgun, and the one dad chased the other dude around. W man.
August 13th
W
of
dads,
2020.
man.
A scary man in a mask and hoodie can be seen knocking on a woman's door. The woman asked, "Who is it?" And the man said, The man eventually walked away, but there was another creepy man hiding behind an object. The woman considered letting the man in case he needed help, but followed her instincts not to.
Yeah, no.
The woman also stated that the men tried her back door as well. Yeah, giggity giggity. Always trust your gut, people. And don't let strangers into your house.
Alright. Giggity giggity. Alright.
In this video, at 6:30 a.m., a man tried to break into a couple's home. The front door didn't work, so he tried the back.
Alright.
The homeowner got a notification and saw the man on his phone. The man yelled at the burglar, which scared him off. The police arrived quickly, and the suspect hadn't gotten far, and they actually were able to arrest him. In this video, posted by KSNV News 3 Las Vegas on October 3rd of 2019, Ring footage captures a woman using multiple keys to break into a house of a man named John late at night.
She would've got in, alright.
The woman was said to have tried the same thing on John's neighbor's home and was unsuccessful.
My people, man.
Perhaps the woman came to the wrong home by mistake and wasn't trying to break in at all. What do you think?
She would've got in, alright. she would've got in. She would've got in. She would've got in.
In this video, posted by Doorbell News on September 26th of 2021, two men can be seen knocking on the door of an Ohio man at 3 a.m. The two men claimed to be from the Columbus Police Department. The man refused to show a badge because there wasn't one to show.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
With a ski mask on, man, boy.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
That should do, bitch.
The other guy made an attempt
dumb niggas
to open up.
My people, bro.
My
My niggas is dumb. Like, people, my color, skin tone are dumb. Like, yes, you do, my guy. You do have to show them that. Damn sure if you ain't got no warrant. Like, niggas is dumb. Like, you tell some people didn't finish high school.
The way. An actual police.
Not even high school, just don't know your laws.
You can see that the men were armed.
Not even high
I
school.
obviously can't show that on.
Not even high school. You just don't know your laws at all. Cause I ain't gonna care. I went to high school for 3 years, bro. And I finished early. Like I skipped. What grade I skipped? I skipped when I was taking 11th grade classes. So I got done with that shit fast as fuck. And my 12th grade classes, I got done with all them bitches and I graduated early. But my 10th grade year, that's when I had spent, you know what I'm saying, 1 semester, 2 semesters at school. I really didn't learn shit in high school. I ain't gonna need I skipped 9th grade. No. I didn't go to 9th grade actual class. I did it online. I skipped 8th grade. 7th grade, 6th grade, 5th grade, 4th grade. And where you learn stuff. All the other shit, that shit, I don't know. I feel like, me personally, like school, once you hit high school, like high school just be there. Cause they really don't teach you shit. I ain't gonna
YouTube, but thank God that the homeowner was smart
I can
and
teach
didn't let those
myself.
criminals in.
That's why people be so goddamn dumb. That's why people, I ain't gonna care. That's why people, when they get in 9th grade, they just quit school. Cause I don't blame them. I was, boy. But you got my mom, boy. I was damn not close to goddamn dropping out. My mom won't go let that shit happen.
In this short video,
posted
by CBS Denver, 3 mountain lions can be seen roaming a neighborhood in Georgetown.
A lot of got kidnapped.
The lions can be seen on camera at 2 different houses. Good thing no one's pets were outside. That could have gotten ugly.
Definitely.
Word of advice to those in Georgetown: keep your pets inside.
I'm not fucking with no mountain lion, baby. No, sir.
This video is profoundly disturbing and is not for the faint of heart. A woman can be heard screaming for her life in the neighborhood. Her neighbors come out looking around, wondering what the hell is going on. The woman can be heard screaming, "Somebody help me," and the voice of a man saying, "I'm sorry." The man then drove off with the woman. Take a look.
I remember this video. I mean, your best bet to call the police. I ain't doing that shit.
A possible kidnapping
Okay,
late last night here along 3rd Avenue in Leimert Park. Residents heard those screams and called 911. Witnesses say that the getaway car was a small white hatchback.
Yeah, y'all did all that. Y'all might well follow the damn car.
In another Facebook video captured in Kansas on March of 2017, ring footage captures a house in the distance engulfed in flames. Eventually, the fire spread to the homeowner's house. Luckily, he wasn't home at the time, but he did see the scary events unfold on his phone. A brave neighbor tried to put the flames out and warn the homeowner, and the homeowner let him know that he wasn't there.
Hello, yes, I'm not there. Please put that up for me, please. I'm on my way home.
Alpha Bob.
Yeah, I know, I'm on my way.
Thankfully, the fire was put out right before any serious damage could occur.
Yeah, 'cause that shit look like
Stay
it was burning.
tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. If you enjoyed the content and want real-time updates, follow me on Twitter at The Fear Tales. The link is in the description. In this video posted on October 11th of 2016, a man dressed as a clown can be seen approaching a home with a weapon and trying to get into the house. He tried the front door and was unsuccessful. The clown then went around the back and tried the back door, but was also unsuccessful.
I would have left that back door open and let him came in that bitch and lit his ass up. I would have hit that bitch with all. Put my clip in.
After failing to get into the house, he decided to call it quits, I guess, and just casually walked away. This is why you lock your doors, folks. Thank you for watching.
Nah, for real, man. I'm probably gonna have one video for y'all tomorrow. I don't know what it's gonna be. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what it's gonna be. Probably gonna be Anna Sauce. And y'all know I don't tell y'all video. Well, I ain't gonna. I'm gonna go ahead. I might go ahead and do Anna Sauce. I ain't gonna care. And let me know which videos y'all do. Y'all want me to put another category of videos in the playlist? Let me know. Either it be rap or Fear Tears or that chapter. Y'all let me know. I'm probably gonna do that chapter and put them all in the playlist. Probably gonna be that chapter or playlist. But yeah, man, give me a thumbs up, let's subscribe, see how much we're gonna never video. Let's ride.